Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with a Samsung Galaxy S21 ULTRA. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to remotely wipe and erase all data from the device if you was to ever lose the phone. So maybe you did not have your lock screen password set up on the device at the time when you lost it, and you have sensitive pictures on the phone or raunchy videos, things of that nature, and you're worried that whoever finds the phone will be able to see your pictures or your videos and expose all those things that you've been getting up to behind closed doors. This is the video for you guys. So don't worry about it. If you've lost the phone, this is what you actually need to do straight away. So I'm just going to put the Ultra to the left for the moment. So what you actually need to do is borrow a family member's Samsung Galaxy device, or if you have another Samsung Galaxy device that's your own, just log into the Samsung account. So just go into the settings here and log into your Samsung account. So just enter your email address and password. And once you've logged in, then go to biometrics and security, and then scroll down to find my mobile, and then you will see this link here, findmobile.samsung.com, and you may need to sign back into your Samsung account again. So just enter your email address and password again if you're required to, and then just select this little tab up here, and you will see all your Samsung devices that are linked to your Samsung account. So select your Ultra, so from here you can actually check to see where your device is. So you'll see a little map here, and you can actually find and locate your phone. But if you do not find it and you actually want to wipe all the data, you will see this option here, erase data. So just select it, and then if you have two-step verification set up on the phone, you will need to enter the verification code. So just enter the verification code by pulling down the notification panel, and you will see the code up there at the top. So just enter the code and then hit verify. Okay, so I'm just going to show you all something. So I've got a few pictures here in my gallery. Okay, so just go ahead and hit erase data, and it will explain to you that all of your data will be permanently erased and can't be recovered. This will also reset your phone, and you won't be able to able to control it anymore. If a Google account is registered on your phone, you'll need to sign into the account before you can use the phone again. Factory data reset, erase all the data on your phone and SD card. So this will actually wipe the phone. If you have a different Samsung Galaxy device, like a Note 10 or something like that, that has support for an SD card, it will also wipe the SD card as well. But the S21 ULTRA doesn't have SD card support, so in my case it's just going to wipe the internal storage. But if you have a device that supports an SD card, it's going to wipe both the internal storage and the SD cards. So once you're sure that you actually want to go ahead with this, just go ahead and hit erase. And you will need to confirm your password one last time. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, so put in my password, then hit next. And now the phone should just start to do a wipe. Okay, so you can see there that it was erasing the data. You also get a little notification on the phone as well, saying your Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G has been reset to its factory default settings. You won't be able to control this phone anymore. Okay, so while that's rebooting up, I'm just going to show you how you can do it as well. If you don't have a Samsung device, if you can't borrow somebody's Samsung device, you can use a non-branded Samsung phone. So I've got a Nokia phone here, and all you have to do is just open up Google Search or Google Chrome and type in Find My Mobile Samsung. You will see the link here at the top. findmymobilesamsung.com. Make sure it says findmymobile.samsung.com. This is the genuine website, guys. If it doesn't say that and it says something similar, do not enter your account details into it. Just make sure that it says findmymobile.samsung.com. This is the real, genuine website. You don't want to be entering your password and account details into a fake site so that fraudsters can get access to your account and all your details and those things. So just click on the link, and you will once again have to log in using your email and password to your Samsung account. And once you're in, just select that little tab there, select your Ultra, and then select the erase data option. Okay, so my phone's finished booting up there. So it's been totally wiped, guys. So if you had any private pictures and videos that you didn't want nobody seeing, they've totally gone now off the device. You don't have to worry. So yeah, this was just my video showing you how to remotely wipe your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. This will also work with the S21 and S21 Plus. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.